Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Tutedude review. So you might be wondering, what is Tutedude here that may be hearing or seeing online? So Tutedude here is an online learning platform that offers technology and career-focused courses in areas such as Python, web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, DevOps, UI or UX design, digital marketing, and many other in-demand skills. Now, according to the official website here, the platform was started as an IIT Delhi alumni initiative and focuses on self-paced learning combined with mentorship, practical assignments, and career support. Now, one of Tutude's main features is its 100% refund program. The platform explains that learners pay an enrollment fee, complete the course along with the required assignments within the special time period. And if they meet the eligibility requirement here, they can receive a full refund while retaining lifetime access to the course. Now, in addition to recorded video lessons, Tutude includes one-on-one live mentorship sessions, coding projects, professional certificates, and internship opportunities, placement assistance, and a community for learners. Now, getting started here is quite simple. Now, in this case, you first need to create an account on Tutedude's website. Choose the course or course bundle that matches your learning goals. Then complete the enrollment. After enrolling, you'll gain access to the recorded lessons, assignments, and mentorship features. As you progress through the course, you'll complete projects and submit assignments through the platform. Now, if you're enrolled in a refundable course, you'll need to complete all the required coursework here within the specified deadline to qualify for the refund according to the platform's policy. Now, in terms of pricing here, many individual courses start at around 699 Indian rupees, while larger bundles also are available. Now, for example, all access course pack is listed at around like 3,999, giving access to more than 60 courses with lifetime access and eligibility for the platform's lifetime refund program. Subject to its terms and condition, prices and promotions may change over time, so keep that in mind. So, so that's essentially how Tutude works. Combine self-paced online course with hands-on assignments, mentorship, and career-focused resources, while offering a refund program for eligible learners who complete the required course milestone within the stated time frame. Now, if you're interested in using Tutedude here, doing your own research is always recommended. Looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website and carefully reading the refund terms and eligibility requirements can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value out of your money. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.